In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all cards on Trello. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. The first step you'll want to take is to navigate to your cards page. So, open your favorite web browser and head over to the Trello website. Once you're there, log into your account as you normally would. If you've forgotten your password or are having trouble logging in, make sure to follow the prompts to recover your account. Now that you're logged in, look over to the left corner of your screen. You should see your profile icon or initials. Click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you need to find the option labeled Cards. Go ahead and click on that option. When you do, Trello will open a page displaying every card that's assigned to you across all your active boards. This is a powerful way to keep track of your tasks without having to jump from board to board. Once you have your cards displayed, you might want to sort and organize your tasks to make them more manageable. At the top of the page, you'll see several sorting options available to you. One handy feature is the ability to sort by board. This way, you can group tasks according to their respective projects. If you're working on multiple projects at once, this can significantly simplify your workflow. Also, make sure to review any due dates that might be attached to your tasks. If you notice that a card needs a deadline, simply click on that card to open it up. From there, you can select the due date option and assign a target date. Keeping an eye on deadlines can help ensure that you stay on track and meet your goals. Now, if you find that the list is becoming a bit overwhelming, don't worry. Trello has a fantastic filtering feature that can help you out. To filter your cards, look for the Filter Cards button on the page and give it a click. This feature allows you to narrow down a large list of tasks to focus on the ones that matter most at that moment. You can apply filters based on specific boards or categories of due dates, such as overdue or due soon. This way, you can pinpoint exactly what needs your immediate attention. As you adjust your filters, the list will update automatically in real time, which makes it easy to manage your tasks without any delays. And there you have it. You now have the tools and knowledge to view and manage all your Trello cards effectively. With just a few clicks, you can navigate your tasks and keep everything organized. Remember, staying on top of your responsibilities can make a big difference in your productivity. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope these tips help you make the most out of Trello. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more useful content. Happy organizing!